Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to accessibility while using both volume buttons at the side of our Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under advanced settings we have our shortcuts options. For example, we will be using volume up and down buttons. Here, as you can see, by pressing and holding both buttons for 3 seconds, we can access our accessibility options. Let's see if our shortcut is working. So, both buttons for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And here are our accessibility options. Shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.